Today on Paper Beats Rock, we're going to be prepping the F550 and the 40-foot trailer to go ahead and work for a couple weeks because we've got a really nice gig coming up and we need to make sure that everything's tip-top. So yesterday, I got notification that this guy is trying to bring in his hemp harvest, but he doesn't have enough, he doesn't have any equipment to really do it, to haul it down to his drying room. So he messaged me and he's like, hey man, I'd like to utilize your 40-foot trailer. And I told him, okay, that's no problem. I also have a 24-foot trailer, so we're gonna be running both trucks and bringing in this this cash cow. So last night I go to grab the 40-foot trailer and try to pull it into the driveway. Found out I can't do it. It's pretty bad. Let me show you where we ended up with the truck and trailer at. So this is right above the shop and at the top of my driveway. And yeah, could not get this pig to spin around to get down this road. One thing, this turn right here, to get down the road here, where Seth's standing, down my long driveway there. I don't want to take out my neighbor's fence. That would be counterproductive. And I pulled past it, but I couldn't get the way that the road swings and everything like that. I couldn't get the trailer to start swinging around because this is a pretty narrow driveway, or not driveway, but road. And I'd either be in the ditches over here or constantly running into this tree here, trying to back it up. So, yeah, it is quite the disaster. And I haven't ran these a whole lot, so I don't know exactly what I'm doing. I'm trying to figure it out. So right now, what I need to do is go scout down the road a little ways, find a spot to turn the trailer and the truck around, drive back this way, and back it down towards my shop. Anyways, last night, while I was doing all this, I almost ran Melissa over a couple times. It was quite the fiasco. Long trailers, pitch black. We didn't have flashlights. Trying to run off our phone lights, which you guys know, they're handy in a real close environment, but anything that's distance, you can't see. It was just quite the fiasco. Anyways, let's get on the quad and go see what's down the road, huh? Down here at the end of the driveway, and at the end of the driveway, this looks like a decent spot to be able to turn it around and everything like that. Yeah, I'll be able to punch it in, do what I've got to do here. Just probably nose into that that driveway here, back it in somewhere along there, and then come back out the road here. Oh, such a long pig. Anyways, let's go ahead and get after this. Well, we got it turned around, but I need to do a bunch of trimming on the road here, man. I put some nice Oregon pinstriping on the side of the truck. I just, what this, here we go. Anyways, got it in here. I'm happy. We got our wheel chock here set up. Let me show you, because, you know, safety is important. So, got our wheel chock there behind the thing. What we're going to be doing today is we got to get up in here, and this wire was replaced by the previous owner, but it's wired in here all kinds of wrong. And I mean, I hit the rear brakes and this light comes on, but the brakes don't actuate. The freaking stupid running lights don't work. You know, blinkers don't work. You know, I hit the blinkers and it's just like, yeah, it's just all kinds of wrong. Anyways, it needs to be rewired. That's what we're going to be doing today. Also going to go get some food, I think, with the missus. And, yeah, just get ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow, where are we at here? Yeah, I'm looking. Usually the camera's over here. Anyways, tomorrow, we got to get out there to this hemp grow and get things happening. Anyways, we're going to get our prep on and go get some grub. Actually, I think we'll go grub first, then get our prepping and everything worked on this thing. But, gosh, this thing's just so stinking. Look, we're still going. We're still going. It's so long. Oh, we're not even to the end yet. We're not to the end yet. Wow. Holy cow. That is a long ass trailer. It's a lot to work that thing. Jeez. Yeah, I'm hungry. Let's go get some food.
Me too.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? All right, made it back home after going out and getting some grub and getting these box corner protector things so I don't crush the totes that we're going to be delivering. Anyways, need to work on the trailer now and give you guys an idea of what we're going to be working on. This right here is the controller for the trailer and everything like that, and it's all wired incorrectly. I hit the blinkers and the running lights flash, or the brakes will go on. You know, I hit the brakes and like the other running lights will end up turning on. It's just, I gotta track all this down, make sure it's wired in correctly, and then have the trailer here ready to go. So it's just a bit of a pain in the butt, you know, to get going for this trailer. But anyway, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So let's go ahead and get stuck in on that, okay? All right, so after a bunch of trial and error, looks like the trailer plug is wired all kind of funky. I don't know. So what I had to do is, this was riveted in, so I had to undo the rivets to pull that pig out, and then it's wired up like it's supposed to be, but farther on the wire, it must be wired up wrong. So right now I don't have brakes for the trailer, but I do have blinkers and I do have running lights and I do have brake lights, because the brake lights run off the same lights as the blinkers. That's how this is all set up. So this I don't know. I don't have time to deal with it more beyond this. I'm losing sunlight here. It's getting pretty late. Anyways, I know it looks brighter, but the cameras are really deceiving. Anyways, haven't heard back from the guys yet whether we're working tomorrow. So we'll see if we are. If we're not, then we'll just end up tackling this more. But yeah, not too bad of a day getting all this done. And it's a nice day out. So, but I am ready to get this thing on the job site and. All right, so just talked to the guy. We're having an issue right now with getting a off-road forklift out on the site. So they've got one of those big ones with the telescoping arm and everything like that. He'd called me up earlier, seeing if I could pick it up out of Corvallis. Those things weigh like 20,000 pounds plus, like all the way up to 35,000, depending on what model you got. Way too heavy for my gig. I mean, I'd roll over the scales and get busted in a hot minute. So told the guy, sorry, I'd love to help you out, dude, but I can't do that. I mean, this trailer is badass, but I'm not running like freaking DOT numbers. I don't have a freaking CDL, so I'm not running that risk. I don't want to get my stuff and his stuff impounded. So anyways, I got to go find some forks for a skid steer. Okay. That way we can use that temporary until the forklift gets down here on Tuesday, so we can get to work. So I've got to go find this for this guy. But in the meantime, we just got to test the trailer lights real quick and make sure they're good to go. So, all right, go ahead and jump in the truck, please, Seth. Let's go ahead and see if these things are working. All right. So after some positive reinforcement with my child, we're going to test this again. Let's get this rearranged. All right, headlights on, please. I don't see any running lights coming on. All right, turn them off. That's not encouraging. Brake light. Yeah, that's still not encouraging. Great. All right, turn it off. Let's do blinkers. Oh my gosh, accomplished nothing. What the F, dude? And here's the point where I take it to a shop and say, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, because I just spent probably 2 hours wasting time and spinning tires. Jesus. All right, I'm gonna go find some forks for a forklift. Oh, line up for this to get into the shop tomorrow to get fixed. And yeah, this is retarded. Absolutely retarded. Anyways, you all have a wonderful night. We're going to do a short video for tomorrow. See where we're at on that. Okay? Have a good one. We'll talk to you later.
12 seconds later.
So, you know how I was like kind of freaking out just a second ago? Let me show you guys something real quick. Okay? Let me just take a look at this. Okay? Take a look at this. See that cable there? That's not in there. Yeah, no wonder the freaking thing didn't work, Adam. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Seth. Yeah. Let's test this again, buddy. All right? Here's the keys.
I'll leave the door open.
Leave the door open. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am. Jeez. Yeah. Jeez. All right. Here we go. Oh. All right. You got the truck on? Yeah. All right. Hit the brakes. Oh, we got brake lights. All right, brakes off. All right, left blinker. Right blinker. All right, yeah, that one's yelled toast, but whatever. All right, now, hey, yeah, running lights. I'm not going to say I'm an idiot, but I'm an idiot. I'm so happy. Yes, and that's a win. You guys have a great night. Oh, hey, before I forget, we've got new mask in the in the thing. You can check them out if you like them. You know, I'm waiting on mine to get shipped in right now. Okay. Anyways, have a good one.